The STS-K071 speaker and microphone pod kit includes the following components: an A31H amplifier, a mouse microphone, a staff loudspeaker pod, a speaker pod, fixings, and a power supply. The STS-S70 customer loudspeaker can be fixed to the customer side of a counter using the two screw holes located at the base. Alternatively, it can also be fitted to a counter or window using a double-sided pad, as demonstrated here. Once the speaker is in position, simply feed the cable through a suitable hole to the staff side and back to the amplifier under the desk. Drill an access hole if one isn't present. The STS-M70 microphone can be placed on the customer side of a counter or glass using a double-sided pad. Route the cable through the cable guide back to the amplifier and stick the microphone facing the intended user. Ensure the microphone does not cause an obstruction and is as close to customers and visitors as possible. Please note, this is an omnidirectional microphone, ideal for environments with low ambient noise. It will be less effective in noisy environments. The STS-SU2 staff loudspeaker pod contains a speaker and microphone combination. It can be fixed to the staff side of the counter using two screw holes at the base. In most cases, we'd recommend to leave it unsecured, allowing movement of the unit as needed. Once the unit is in position, simply feed the cable through a suitable hole in the counter towards the intended amplifier position. Drill an access hole if one isn't present. Insert the staff microphone connection to sockets 16 and 17, also labelled the staff mic connection. Insert the staff loudspeaker connection into sockets 5 and 6, also labelled the staff speaker connection. Insert the customer microphone connection into sockets 14 and 15, also labelled the customer microphone connection. Insert the customer loudspeaker connection into sockets 3 and 4, also labelled the customer speaker connection. For a hearing loop output, connect to sockets 1 and 2, labelled loop. The power connection goes into the socket labelled PWR. Place the amplifier under the staff counter, ensuring that it will not obstruct staff when they are sitting. The amplifier front should face outwards, with adjustment buttons accessible. Mark the 4 fixing points for the driver under the counter. Drill and fix the amplifier in place using the supplied screws. Install the amplifier's power supply close to a power socket outlet, using the supplied mounting bracket and fixing screws.